your liver is very important, and in Chinese medicine, they actually consider the liver like the chief commander in the body. And you would, from a Western perspective, we often think that that's the brain or the heart, but in Chinese medicine, they very much highly value the liver in all sorts of terms. Energetically, the liver for us in natural healing brings up thoughts around anger, jealousy, resentment, and therefore liver cleansing on an emotional side can be a really interesting journey. And it can be normal during liver cleansing to feel these kinds of emotions. So it might be that you bring up old emotional issues from, say, 20 years ago, something that you were angry about, something that you didn't speak about before. And it's important to understand that that's okay, and that can be normal, and that you can feel like that for the duration of the cleanse, and then it can go away. And cleansing is often about these emotions coming up and being able to release them. Bowel cleansing can certainly be, what are you holding in this part of your body here? What is kind of preventing you from moving forward, things that you can't let go of. And certainly the liver is often about, releasing stored anger and jealousy. But it's important to remember that you might feel like that. I always say to friends and family and clients and students, you might want to warn your friends when you're doing a liver cleanse that you might be a little bit irritable or snappy, and that they maybe need to give you a little bit of patience around that, and that realize that that's probably not projected at them, it's just kind of how you're feeling inside. And that's why when we do cleansing, it is important also to take other kinds of herbs like the adaptogens to help your mind and your mood and your energy, and minerals like magnesium, for example, and B vitamins. And these, of course, help that process as well. Getting enough sleep, drinking water, eating well, these are all part of a healthy cleansing process.